Jesus. Because ministry takes more than just skill. Worshiping takes more than just skill. Worshiping takes more than just what you have. Competency may get you into the room, but it is character, it is spiritual development, it is intimacy that keeps you there. Talents may get you to the stage, but it is your intimacy with Jesus that will keep you in that stage. Manang daghang mga tao nga mag-burn out sila sa ministry, matingala ka, on fire man kayo siya nag-worship it, on fire man kayo siya nagtugtog, pero nga anong nawala man siya, nga anong kanang na-fall away man siya sa presensya sa Ginoo. It's because many times we think, especially na naata sa sulod sa church, nag-work ta for Jesus, and that is very, very guwapo kaayo na. But sometimes we forget o mag-isip ta na kaning ministry, kaning akong pagtugtog, mauni ang source ako ang oil, mauni ang source akong fire. But that is wrong. The source of your oil and the source of your fire is not seen on stage, but off stage. It is seen in your secret place. Are you praying? Are you reading? Are you seeking Him intimately? Kaya there is a big difference between a musician and a worshiper, between a singer and a worship leader, between a dancer and someone who dances with the Spirit of the Lord.